This quick guide will show you how to cancel Google Cloud Storage. Whether you're looking to cut costs, switch providers, or simply no longer need the service, canceling your Google Cloud Storage subscription is a straightforward process. In this video, we'll walk through each step together to ensure you can complete the cancellation smoothly and without any confusion. First things first, you'll want to start by opening the Google Cloud Console. This is where you manage all your cloud services. Once you're logged in, look for the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. From here, you'll see a variety of options, but what we're interested in is the billing section. Go ahead and click on that. The billing page is where you can view all your current subscriptions, track your usage, and manage your payment methods. It's essentially your financial hub for everything related to Google Cloud. Now that you're in the billing section, the next step is to locate your active subscriptions. You should see a list of all the services you're currently subscribed to. Find the one that says Google Cloud Storage or something similar. This is the subscription we want to cancel. Selecting your subscription will take you to a more detailed page where you can see specifics about your plan, such as the amount of storage you're using and the cost. With the subscription details in front of you, look for a button or link that says Cancel or Cancel Subscription. It's usually located in a prominent spot on the page, so it should be easy to find. Click on that, and you'll be prompted with a confirmation screen. This step is crucial because it ensures that you really want to cancel and understand any implications, such as losing access to your stored data. On this confirmation screen, you'll typically see information about what happens next. For instance, you might be reminded of any pending charges or data retention policies. Take a moment to read through this information carefully. Once you're sure about your decision, confirm the cancellation by clicking the appropriate button, often labeled as Confirm or Yes Cancel. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Google Cloud Storage subscription. It's always a good idea to double check your email for a confirmation message from Google just to be sure everything went through correctly. If you ever change your mind, remember that you can always sign up again in the future. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found it helpful, feel free to explore our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your digital services. Goodbye for now.